My name is Sam Dow. My job title is a panel shop manager at Sheen Mitcham.
My name is Jeffrey Johnston and I'm Assistant Shop Manager for Sheen Mitcham.
I've now worked with Sheen almost 3 years.
So far, my favourite thing about working at Sheen is alleviating the stress that the customers have when they drop their cars off.
The whole family's in the trade. My dad, uncles, grandfather, a whole lot.
The team at Mitcham are very close together. They're a tight-knit group and we really knuckle down to get the job done.
My favourite thing about working at Sheen is just the diversity within the group in terms of the staff, management. Each person is treated as they are.
Something I would tell someone to join the Sheen team would be
How well they pay and that you're looked after as a staff member.
there is endless career possibilities.
The thing that makes Sheen stand out for me is how in-depth they go for their clients.
The thing that makes Sheen stand out from other panel leaders is the customer service level which they provide.
Basically, everyone leaves happy, really.